Hello and welcome back. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install OpenOffice on Windows operating system 10.11. So let's get started. This is openoffice.org. So first step is to go ahead and launch your preferred browser and navigate to openoffice.org and then click this download button here. Most recent release is going to be downloaded. You would be able to select the uh, download for your operating system. This is 32-bit only available that we have for Windows operating system. Okay, so I'm going to select 32-bit, download full installation, download language pack, and then you can click this button here. You can also select the language. You're just specific about just one language and then release. So I will go with the latest release. If you do not need lots of feature, you can switch back to the earlier releases. Or let's say you're downloading for Windows 7, so you should go ahead and try the earlier releases. So this will take you to sourceforge.net and the download should begin from here. Okay, so here we are, and SourceForge is basically open source platform where lots of open source software are available to download and install. Okay, so this is only 32-bit guys, so we don't have 64-bit yet OpenOffice for Windows users. So simply go ahead and locate your download. You can click on it, you can right click and open it like, and then say yes. On the UAC, click next. This is where it is going to be installed. Destination folder, user, desktop, HP, installation, etc. etc. Say install. And I'm not sure if it is already installed. It is very quick, if you can see here. And let's see, so do we have anything here? This is it. So go ahead and click on setup, publisher unknown. There is already a setup process running here, so I'm so sorry. Here we go. It says next. Username typical. This still uses very old way of installation on Windows operating system. So if you feel like you're lost, you simply go ahead and pause the video and try it again. It's a very good software. It works flawlessly. It is just that it is mostly used on open operating system like Linux distros. And a lot of companies use this software who cannot afford Microsoft Office. And this is a really good option for students and teachers who definitely want to save some money. So this is OpenOffice by Apache, completely open source. Now we can go ahead and launch anything that we want. OpenOffice Math. So these are all packages, software apps that we got installed with OpenOffice. And here I can go ahead and delete it. So the installation folder is basically on my desktop. You see here. So I should go ahead and put it on a different uh, location. So now I will be going ahead and trying to open a CSV file. So like me, I was not able to basically open the CSV file and edit it. So this is why I installed OpenOffice. So this is how you can install OpenOffice and work with any file that requires Office tool. Okay, you might also have to enter your first, last, middle, and for initial. And here we go. This is how it works on operating system like Windows. And I'm trying to open this separated by semicolon. When you want the tab, this is how it looks. Okay, and let it go. It works, guys. Thank you for your patience. It works. So thanks again. Bye for now.